Good morning. Please have a seat. Let's get started with the interview. So, why do you want to study in the United States?
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. I want to study in the U.S. because it's home to some of the top universities in international relations. In particular, I've chosen the School of International Service at American University in Washington, D.C. The U.S. is a hub for global diplomacy, and studying IR there will provide me with unmatched exposure to policymakers, international organizations, and global institutions.
That makes sense. And you've already selected American University for your studies?
Yes, I've been accepted into their international relations program. It's one of the best in the world, with experienced faculty and direct access to international organizations like the United Nations and the World Bank.
Sounds impressive. How do you plan to pay for your education?
My family will support me financially, and I've saved some money from my part-time jobs. Additionally, American University offers scholarships to enrolled students, which I plan to apply for as soon as I'm officially a student. But for now, I need the visa to move forward.
Have you already applied to the school, and has the university offered you any scholarships so far?
Yes, I've applied and received my acceptance letter. However, American University requires me to enroll first before they can consider me for financial aid, so I'm working on getting the visa to complete that step.
Understood. What's your GPA?
My GPA is 3.8, and I've worked hard to maintain it throughout my academic career.
That's great. What do you plan to do after you complete your education?
After completing my studies, I intend to return to my home country and work in foreign policy or diplomacy. I want to help strengthen international relations and contribute to peace-building initiatives back home.
Have you ever been arrested or had any disciplinary problems when you were in school?
No, I've never had any legal issues or disciplinary problems. I've always focused on my studies and maintaining good conduct.
Do you have a relationship with anyone here in your country or in the U.S.?
No, I'm not currently in a relationship, either here or in the U.S. Right now, I'm fully focused on my education.
Have you ever been to the U.S. before?
No, I haven't had the opportunity yet, but I've done a lot of research on what to expect and how to adapt to life there.
Do you have any relatives in the U.S.?
No, I don't have any relatives living in the U.S.
How do you plan to handle any language barriers you may encounter in your classes?
I've been practicing my English, especially the academic and technical vocabulary related to international relations. I feel confident that I can keep up with the coursework, and if I ever encounter difficulties, I'll seek help from professors or classmates.
That's good. Have you gone over the kind of terminology used in international relations?
Yes, I've studied a lot of the key terms and concepts in IR. I've been reading academic papers and journals, so I'm familiar with the specialized language.
Excellent. Have you ever experienced homesickness before? Being away from home for a long time can be tough.
I have been away from home for shorter periods, and I did experience some homesickness. But I've learned to manage it by staying busy and focused on my goals. In the past, I'd visit familiar places to deal with homesickness, but I'm prepared to handle it in the U.S.
Did you mention you have siblings? Are you the oldest child?
Yes, I have two younger siblings, and I'm the eldest. I take my responsibilities seriously and try to set a good example for them.
Being the eldest can be challenging. During vacation time, where will you go? Will you come home anytime during your studies?
I plan to visit home during major holidays and summer breaks. Family is important to me, and I want to stay connected even while studying abroad.
What if someone offers you a job just as you're about to graduate? Let's say there's a great opportunity for you in the U.S. How would you handle that?
I'd consider the offer carefully, but my long-term goal is to return home and work in international relations or foreign policy. If the job aligns with my aspirations and allows me to contribute back home, I'd weigh my options.
That's a good plan. Before we finish, will you be living on campus?
Yes, I'll be living in one of the on-campus dormitories. I believe staying on campus will help me settle in faster and get to know other students more easily.
And just one more question related to international relations. Are you confident in keeping up with the latest research and trends? Have you done any work in that area?
Absolutely. I've been following current events closely and reading up on the latest trends in IR. I'm particularly interested in global governance and conflict resolution, and I've already started exploring related research papers.
That's great to hear. Well, I think that's all I have to ask for now. I hope you get your visa. If I had the power, I'd gladly grant it.
Thank you so much. I have another interview scheduled through the app once I'm in the US. I'll let Jessica know to email you the details.
Sounds good. Thank you again, and have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for your time.